Hello guys, welcome to this new setup and my new video. I'm up with a new recipe and this is my first video on cooking without any collaboration. This is my favorite one and guess what? It is a vegan recipe. Let's get started. I've taken bananas, wheaten rice, pomegranates, coconut milk and some sweeteners. I call it as my Buddha bowl cause this bowl is gonna be filled with energy packed foods. Follow the same recipe so that it tastes much better. Put your banana slices into the bowl and let it soak with the coconut milk. Add some brown sugar to it so that it mixes well with the milk. Now add the soaked poha. And pomegranates are optional if you need that crunchiness in your food. Chop some dates to it for a little more sweet along with some raisins. Your Buddha bowl is ready.